Hello everyone, my name is Vanessa Del Rio and I'm going to be presenting my project Wellness. So I started off doing research on Oasis, which is a spa located in the University of Northridge, created to improve students' mental health and allow them to take a break from their hectic day-to-day schedules. I was given the opportunity to design a wellness center to expand the Oasis Mental Health Center and provide a support system to the community during the post-pandemic era. So my concept is the lotus flower, but more so it's the overcoming of hardships. The lotus flower submerges under muddy waters during the night and reblooms every day crisp and clean. The lotus flower manages to overcome turbulent muddy waters because of the roots that are connected to the pods that are grounded to the bottom of the pond. Because of this event, the lotus flower represents overcoming of hardships, rebirth, purity, enlightenment, and mental evolution. So my thought process was, due to the post-pandemic repercussions, many will be victims of mental illnesses like depression and anxiety, and those who are already struggling will worsen. In my brainstorm, I linked the process of people struggling with mental illnesses and overcoming it with the lotus flower event of submergement overnight and reblooming the next day. There are no straight lines or symmetry in nature, so in my design process, I envisioned organic shapes and curves. In this render, you can see how I designed the therapeutic treatment rooms into clusters, much like the lotus pods, acting like support systems to the lotus flower in order for it to stay afloat, just as our staff will provide support to our clients in order to overcome their hardships. So this is my space study model, where I explored the spaces within the building to get a sense of the space I had to work with. In my reflective ceiling plan, I decided to use can lighting fixtures as if it was pollen from the lotus. And right next to it, you can see the development of the layout plan and how far it has come from the past one. These are my materials. When dealing with hardships, your thoughts are very full and of clutter and mess. So I decided to go with calm neutral color palette in order to keep peace of mind. This is my front desk, and I placed lighting pendants with shapes of teardrops resembling the lotus flowers in submergement. Here is my oasis path, where you can walk through the oasis and really begin to feel light and delicate as you walk over the resigned water path embedded into the floor. Once you arrive to the lounge area, you begin to feel a sense of reblooming with the curvature of the wall and large round ceiling pendant lighting. These are my treatment rooms where you can get massages and receive therapy from specialists. And here are the shower and locker rooms that you can use after going to the ponds. Here are the pool pods where you can submerge yourself and clients can physically experience the submergement into the ponds and having a sense of rejuvenation and strength. Here are my sections and elevations. I have my axonometric view right here. And here is my final model. This project was full of challenges, but overall I learned a lot and I enjoyed working on this. Thank you so much.